Get a video of that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this out to like, let's put it close, like 10. So, maybe that's like 5 yards, 5 yards. Just not too far.
Rifle or the launcher?
I'm gonna hit the launcher.
He's gonna hit the launcher.
Shot.
I'm gonna go behind the ballistics.
No. I want to do it real fast.
Now I'm worried.
This has not been tested yet, so it's first test on it.
Don't miss.
Yeah, I know. Thing is, I don't know what the recoil is going to be on this one. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I know. That's true. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to try it. I want that in there. Where's Hey, Ed. Alright, let's see. Not so bad.
Yeah.